Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. We will be looking for a max Olympiad problem. So the problem is given: solve x power 1 by 4 plus y power 1 by 5 is equal to 5. X power 1 by 2 plus y to the power of 2 by 5 is equal to 13. So some logic is there in this problem. That's why it is selected. So as you are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try the problem. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make the video. Thank you. So here in this problem, the power of x is 1 by 4 and the power of y is 1 by 5 is equal to 5. Here the power of x is 1 by 2 and the power of y is 2 by 5. So how to solve this problem? So here we have to take x value. Here the value of x is 1 by 4. Here the value of the power is 1 by 2. So the least value is x power 1 by 4. Let us take p is equal to x to the power of 1 by 4 and q is equal to y to the power of 1 by 5. So this is the logic we have to take. P value is x power 1 by 4 and q value is y power 1 by 4. Now the equation will change. P plus q. P plus q is equal to 5. And the second one, p square plus q square. P square plus q square is equal to 15. Now here we are going to find the value of PQ. So from the first equation, here if you do the squaring on both sides, P plus Q whole square is equal to 5 square. So if you do squaring on both sides, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equal to 25. Now from the second equation, we can get P square plus Q square value is 15. 15 plus 2PQ is equal to 25. Now here 2PQ is equal to 2PQ is equal to 25 minus 15. Here sorry, here 13 now. By mistake I took here 13 is there. So 13 25 minus 13, PQ is equal to 12 by 2. So the value of PQ are getting 6 now. Now replace this value in second equation. Okay, now replace this value in this equation. So P square from this Q value is 5 minus P. So in this third equation, replace PQ value and Q value in this. P square plus 5 minus P whole square plus 2 into 6 is equal to 25. So here we'll get P square plus 25 plus P square minus 10P plus 12 is equal to 25. So 2P square minus 10P plus 12 is equal to 0. P square minus 5P plus 6 equal to 0. Now P square minus 3P minus 2P plus 6 equal to 0. Now P into P minus 3 minus 2 into P minus 3 equal to 0. P minus 3 into P minus 2 equal to 0. P is equal to 3 or P value 2. Now if P value is 3, case 1, P value is 3, then Q value will be 5 minus 3, 2. Now case 2. If p value is 2, then q value will be 5 minus 2 will get to 3. Now p value is nothing but x to the power of 1 by 4. X to the power of 1 by 4 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, next q value. Q value is y to the power of 1 by 5. So y to the power of 1 by 5 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now if you take second case, p value is x to the power of 1 by 4, that is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And q value is y power 1 by 5, that is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 to the power of 5. Therefore, the solution what you are getting, xy is equal to t to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5, or 2 to the power of 5 in comma 3 to the power of 5. So I hope you understood the video more. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friend. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.